This is Eric Mother at Mother.com. With about 1 hour to go, we can see the market's down here for March 5th, 2020. And if we take a look at the Dow Transports as a follow-up to a video I did recently on the Dow Transports, we can see as of yesterday, when the Dow closed up 1100 points, we can see that that was the close. But now we can see that that was not enough to push the Dow Transports above the 30.9 RSI level. And we can see today it's been smacked down back below that level. In other words, it's hard for the market to get any up momentum as long as the RSI on the major averages are holding above a major threshold. And this threshold in this example is RSI 30.9. This is a 6 months daily. Again, as long as the Dow Transports is below 30.9, this market has a chance, opportunity, probability of continuing lower. In other words, the only way to recover is the Dow Transports would have to first and foremost figure out a way to bounce back and hold above RSI 30.9. Now, to make things even a little bit more complex for those who are bullish, we can see here that on the RSI, on the weekly, Dow Transports also holding below 30.9. Again, as long as it is below 30.9, momentum continues to be to the downside. And guys, just one quick reminder, take a look at where this sell-off begins, and we can see if we go back and take a look at the highs, we can now see clearly that the market tried to break out and there was a failed breakout, which has now grown into a substantial sell-off. Again, be on the lookout for failed breakouts because they can also be early warning signs of an impending drop. It's another way of saying, as this market is dropping, if you're looking to buy some stocks, take a major risk, then you need to find stocks that are holding and not breaking below key price levels. For example, here we can see the opposite, which is support or a failed breakdown, and we can see the market did bounce on those two occasions. So, quick video discussing RSI 30.9.